Looking to rejuvenate your skin from the inside out? Discover the ultimate daily drink recipe that boosts collagen naturally, along with essential lifestyle tips to enhance your skin's radiance and elasticity. Don't miss out on transforming your skincare routine. Think of collagen as the glue that keeps your body firm and flexible. Unfortunately, as we grow older, our collagen production declines, leading to wrinkles, sagging skin, and weakened nails. So how to tackle that? We have an amazing drink recipe and some valuable lifestyle tips to help boost your collagen levels naturally. Let's get started. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Like I said earlier, we've got a fantastic collagen-boosting drink recipe and some lifestyle tips to keep your collagen game strong. Ingredients we need to make this drink. Organic green tea. Steep a green tea bag in water to harness its collagen-boosting powers and antioxidant properties. Get a hydrolyzed collagen powder. This magic ingredient provides the building blocks for collagen production and reduces wrinkles. Get a handful of organic blueberries. Packed with anthocyanins and vitamin C, blueberries protect collagen from UV damage and promote synthesis. 1/4 teaspoon of organic turmeric, a potent anti-inflammatory that supports collagen production and keeps your skin glowing. A pinch of black pepper enhances the absorption of turmeric's active compound, curcumin, for maximum benefits. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, rich in alpha-linolenic acid. Chia seeds promote collagen and elastin production for plump, healthy skin. Raw lemon juice boosts vitamin C content for collagen stabilization and adds a refreshing zing. This last ingredient is completely optional. Liquid stevia for sweetness without the guilt. Now, let's whip up this collagen elixir. Blend together green tea, collagen powder, blueberries, turmeric, chia seeds, and lemon juice until smooth. Don't forget a pinch of black pepper for that extra boost. Adjust sweetness with liquid stevia, pour over ice, and voila! Your daily dose of collagen is ready to go. We've got some additional tips to keep your collagen levels soaring. Copper and zinc. Incorporate these minerals into your diet for optimal collagen production. Avoid grains. Say goodbye to collagen-killing phytic acid found in grains. Don't go low-fat. Your skin loves healthy fats, so don't skimp on them. Calm down. Stress is collagen's worst enemy, so find ways to relax and unwind. Horsetail extract. Boost silica intake for healthier skin, hair, and nails. Quit alcohol and smoking. These habits accelerate collagen breakdown. Say no to it for radiant skin. Fish oil. Load up on omega-3 fatty acids for anti-inflammatory benefits. Digestive enzymes. Aid digestion and promote collagen absorption with these supplements. Intermittent fasting. Boost antioxidant levels and promote cellular regeneration with this eating pattern. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide to boosting collagen naturally. Incorporate our collagen-boosting drink into your daily routine, along with these lifestyle tips, and watch your skin, hair, and nails transform. Share in the comments below, what and how are you taking care of your health? Until next time, stay radiant.